My audience, my name is Olukolo Habib, Mock ICT 19 YouTube channel founder. Today I would like to continue where we stop at lesson 2. This will be lesson 3 of how to use Microsoft Word. And today's topic is how to insert table and how to draw using Microsoft. How to insert a table using your Microsoft Word with your smartphone. Now let's start a new topic, classification, from where we start from our lesson 2, classification of output and input devices. Now these are heading, bold. Let's change our fonts to the Calibri Light 1012. Now you go to the home page click on the arrow, then go to your home page and click on insert. Then an options will be displayed to you, whereby we see the blank page, scan document, table, picture, shapes, and so on. Now you click on table. When you click on table, it automatically inserts 3 column and 3 row. Now let me show you how to add to your row by clicking on this table with downward arrow to create your row. Now this is a row. I'm creating another row. I'm adding rows. Then that's downward. Then you can also add upwardly. Now you can also add your column by clicking on this vertical table with arrow pointing to the left or right. Now let's click on the table here. Now it has add another. Let's add backwardly, and it has also add to the column. Now I need 2 column with 6 row. And let's delete a column. Click on delete. You click on the delete table, click on row, click on column, then delete, 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 click on column, delete, click on column, delete, click on column. Now let's input our data. Input device, output. We are classifying input device and output device with table. Output device. Now we have the keyboard. You have the mouse. We have the light pen. You have the scanner. You have the microphone. We have the touch screen. Slash calibrator. And we also have the monitor. Speaker. Plotter. Projector. Printer. Electronic bill. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. Now let's delete the other rows. Delete rows. You click on cell, then you click on delete row, then this delete row. Now this is how to impute table in your Microsoft Word. Now the second topic is how to draw with Microsoft Word, how to use the draw command. Now let's go to insert and insert new page. Now we have inserted new page. Let's go to print layout. Let's activate print layout. You see it has added another page for us. Now let's click on this. Now let's go to home and click on draw. Now this is draw. When you reach, then it brings a dialog. It brings some options for you: draw with mouse or touch, stroke eraser, pen and highlighter. You first actuate the draw with mouse or touch. Then we are drawing with free hands here. Then that's why it says draw with mouse or touch the screen. Now I don't have mouse with me. I'm using the touch screen to draw. I'm using my fingers to draw. Now you click on pen to draw with. Then let's select color. You can also select color for your drawing. We have purple and so on, different color. You select the thickness. Now that's the stroke. Let's erase this off. Stroke eraser. Then you go back to your drawing. Let's draw a monitor. Now I'm drawing. Blank space. Now we have another blank space. Then click on draw. Now click on draw. Then same thing applies. System units.